In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select orders on Doordash effectively to make the most out of your delivery experience. If you've ever wondered how to choose the best orders, stay tuned because we're going to break it down step by step. Firstly, let's talk about understanding the order details. This is fundamental, as knowing the pay, mileage, and restaurant location will guide your choices. The app displays the total payout for each order, so you can gauge if the order is worthwhile in terms of time and effort. Always weigh this against the distance, as DoorDash reveals how far you'll be traveling between the restaurant and the customer's location. Also, take note of the restaurant location. It's wise to be aware of traffic or other potential delays that might affect your delivery. Beyond these basics, consider the type of order you'll be picking up, whether it's from a restaurant, a grocery store, or a convenience outlet, along with any customer instructions. Knowing the customer's location can also be crucial, especially if it's in an area you're less familiar with or typically congested. Lastly, pay attention to the delivery time window and any special instructions that may require extra effort. Next, evaluate the orders with a few strategic pointers. Calculate the mileage to pay ratio. A higher payout compared to the mileage is something to aim for. For instance, 2 miles for $6 could be more appealing than 5 miles for the same pay. Time sensitivity is another factor. Some orders might be more urgent, involving perishables or a rush request from the customer, so make sure you can meet these demands. Your comfort with the delivery area is another consideration, ensuring it's a zone you're familiar with or comfortable navigating. As you work with DoorDash, you might use the Dash Now feature when you're ready to work immediately. However, remember that scheduling your dashes in advance might give you more control over the types of orders you're offered. Once you've evaluated, it's time to make a decision on accepting or declining orders. Be wise in your acceptance, but also don't hesitate to decline orders that don't meet your criteria. While DoorDash does allow you to decline orders, remember that repeatedly doing so might impact your acceptance rate. If you need to unassign an order, you can do so through the app, but consider any potential effects on your completion rate, especially if done close to pickup time. Moving on, here are some tips for ongoing success. Utilize the Tell Us What's Going On feature when issues arise at restaurants to protect your on-time ratings. Communicate with the customer proactively if any delays occur. Rely on the in-app navigation for precise directions to your destinations. Patience is a virtue, particularly during peak hours when wait times increase. Exploring batched orders, where you handle multiple deliveries on the same route, can maximize earnings if managed efficiently. Lastly, learning from past experiences with different orders will refine your decision-making process over time, enhancing your overall efficiency and profitability with DoorDash.